Alright, let's talk about these two blocks in Scratch. We have the set size to block and the change size by block. These blocks are all about making things bigger or smaller in our project. Now, imagine you have a character or a sprite in your project. The set size to block is like a magic command that allows you to choose exactly how big or small you want your cat to be. For example, if you want your cat to be really big, you can use this block and say set size to 200, and your cat will instantly grow to be twice as big. On the other hand, we have the change size by block, which is like a magical potion that lets you change the size of your cat little by little. Instead of setting an exact size, this block allows you to make your cat gradually grow or shrink. You can tell Scratch how much you want your cat to change in size, like change size by 10. If you use this block multiple times, your cat will keep getting bigger each time you use it. So, with the set size to block, you can choose an exact size for your cat, while the change size by block lets you make your cat grow or shrink a little bit at a time. It's like having a superpower to control the size of your characters in your Scratch project. Great! Now, let's explore Change Color Effect, Repeat and Wait Seconds blocks. These blocks will add even more fun and creativity to your project. The Change Color Effect block is like a magical paintbrush that allows you to change the appearance of your characters or sprites. For example, you can use the block to make your cat look more green, blue, red, or any color by changing the number in the block. It's a fun way to add some special visual effects to your characters. Next, we have the Repeat block. Imagine you want to make your character perform a certain action multiple times, like jumping or spinning. Instead of telling Scratch to do it over and over again, you can use the Repeat block. You can specify how many times you want the action to be repeated, and Scratch will take care of it for you. Lastly, we have the Wait Seconds block. Sometimes you might want to add a pause or a delay between actions in your project. The Wait Seconds block allows you to do just that. You can tell Scratch to wait for a specific amount of time before moving on to the next instruction. Great! Now let's explore the magic of Jack. In this Scratch project, we'll follow Jack, our character in a spaceship, as he embarks on an exciting journey of size, changing, and color transformation. First, let's set the stage. We select the Jack sprite from the sprite list and choose a fascinating spaceship backdrop. Now, it's time to work some magic with code. We begin by adding a When Flag Clicked block to start the show. Jack needs to be in the starting position, so we use a Go to X0I0 block to place him at the center of the stage. Next, we set Jack's initial size to 50 and reset his color to original colors by using Change Color Effects to 0 block. Now comes the exciting part. We add a Repeat 10 times block to perform the transformation in steps. Inside the loop, we include a Wait 0.5 seconds block to create a smooth animation. With each repetition, we use the Change Size by 10 block to make Jack gradually bigger, and the Change Color Effect by 25 block to give him a magical color transformation. After 10 transformations, Jack is now larger and has gone through a lot of mesmerizing colors. Behold the magic of Jack. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, we've created an enchanting journey with Jack's size and color transformations in Scratch. Feel free to experiment further and add more effects to make Jack's magic even more captivating. Thank you for joining us in the magic of Jack. Have fun exploring the wonders of Scratch and stay tuned for more exciting projects.